All the rest of the elevators at the Tripla complex are so far completed. The Tripla, Pasila, Böle, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland. Here's a brand new 2019 KONE Monospace elevator, 21 persons by 16 occurrence with the door close button, 2 floors. And the serial is 429599895. And it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021. Someone is going to use it. You have to wait a while. One of the entrances to the Mall of Tripla. The biggest shopping center in the Nordic countries. A number of services available. But not according to the area. I think Mall of Scandinavia in Stockholm is even bigger. So today it is the 24th of May 2020. I have found actually on Kelosita 2A, B and C there are 3 still complete original KONE elevators from the late 1970s. Possibly one of the last ones in Pasila, Böle, which we have to get to film some other day. But we know it that there are 3 more complete original elevators in this district since the late 1970s. But classic KONE with automatic doors from 1977. They are gone forever. They've been modernized by engineers, so we don't need to go there. That's it.